I'm Ira Maurer, founder of the Maurer Law Firm, located in Fishkill, New York. Welcome to our website. At the Maurer Law Firm, we represent clients located in the northeast part of the United States who have become victims of a serious injury. It has always been my belief that every client deserves to be thoroughly educated about their injuries and the legal process. This video is intended to provide some helpful information about knee injuries. All joint injuries are painful and limit your mobility. Knee injuries can prevent you from sitting, standing, or walking comfortably, or even sleeping. Before I discuss specific types of knee injuries, it would be helpful to first provide you with a description of the components of the knee. The knee joint has 4 bones: the thigh bone called the femur, the lower leg bones called the tibia and fibula, and the kneecap, the patella. There are 4 ligaments that provide the knee joint with stability. The 2 ligaments that crisscross inside the knee joint are called the anterior cruciate ligament and the posterior cruciate ligament. There is a ligament on the inside of the knee joint called the medial collateral ligament and another ligament on the outside of the knee joint called the lateral collateral ligament. The bones are kept apart by cartilage called the medial meniscus and lateral meniscus. In addition, the bottom of the femur and the top of the tibia have articular cartilage that lines the outside of the bone. Now that you have this basic understanding of the components of the knee joint, I'll discuss some common knee injuries. Any accident with sufficient force can result in fractures to the knee joint that may require surgery and internal fixation with metal hardware. In my experience, most injuries to the knee ligaments and cartilage result from a twisting of the knee, but injury can also result from hyperextension or blunt force trauma. Partial tears are frequently treated with arthroscopic surgery that requires 2 or 3 pencil-sized objects to be inserted to clean up the damage. One of those objects is a light source, and the other 2 are the tools that the orthopedist uses to perform the surgery. A complete tear of a ligament usually requires an arthrotomy procedure with a large incision that provides the orthopedic surgeon with access to the areas that must be repaired, using anchors that reconnect the ligaments to the adjacent bone. A partial or total knee replacement procedure may be performed when the knee joint cartilage has been severely injured or worn down following injury, or due to non-traumatic arthritis, leaving the patient with a bone-on-bone condition doctors refer to as stage 4 arthritis. There are many variations of knee replacement procedures. A total knee replacement involves the removal of the ends of the femur and tibia and replacing them with prosthetic devices. Using MRI technology to obtain exact measurements, the prosthetic devices can be custom made for each patient. Orthopedists try to delay performing a total knee replacement arthroplasty as long as possible because the prosthetic devices that are used to replace the knee joint have a lifespan of approximately 15 or 20 years. If the knee replacement is performed on someone in their 50s, it's likely they will have to undergo another knee replacement in their 70s. Knee replacement surgery typically has a lengthy recovery period that can include a few days in the hospital, followed by a lengthy stay in a rehab facility and physical therapy afterwards. You may be unable to drive and resume other normal activities for 4 to 6 weeks. Depending upon the nature of your job, if you do not regain full use of the knee, you may be unable to return to the same job. Ultimately, a decision regarding if and when a knee replacement procedure will be performed has to be made by the patient based upon an assessment of how their pain is impacting their quality of life. The orthopedist will recommend the knee replacement if and when the patient can no longer live with the pain. I hope you found this video helpful. For more information, please contact the Maurer Law Firm by calling 845-896-5295 or visit our website at maurerlaw.net. At the Maurer Law Firm, we take your personal injuries and the impact they have on you and your families personally.